Hi everyone. Now we will look at question number 27 from 2020 HSC Standard Maths exam. This question came from the topic of ratios, and it is from here 5.2.3. This kind of questions previously hadn't been asked too much, but not that complicated. So let's solve this. This is about trapezoidal rule. Basically, you need to approximate the area based on an approximation, like using the area of the trapezoid. And because the surface is not a standard shape, you can't accurately predict that area. So you need to make an approximation. Let's take out the question. Here's the question. The question is asking, using two applications of trapezoidal rule, you need to calculate the area. First, you need to understand what trapezoidal rule is. It basically, you just assume that this shape is a trapezoid. So trapezium is basically like that. You assume that this is a straight line, and then you calculate the area of the whole thing. So what it's asking is to use two applications. So what it's saying is consider this as, sorry, my pen is not that great. So consider this, assume this is a straight line. Consider this one trapezium, and consider this as another trapezium. And then it's saying to approximate the area. You're also given the scale is 1 centimeter is equal to 5 meters. So every box represent 1 centimeter. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes. So this is 4 multiplied by 5. This is 20 meters. Again, there are 4 boxes. This is 20 meters. Here there are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 boxes, 20 meters. One, two, three, 4, again 20 meters. And here there are 5 boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 25 meters. So area of trapezium is half times sum of parallel sides times the width. So in this case, these are the parallel sides, 25 and 20. So for this trapezium, it would be half times 25 plus 20, and you'll multiply it by 20. For this trapezium, you add this trapezium here, half times 20 plus 20 multiplied by 20. And if you solve that, you will get 850 square meters. That's the answer for part A. For part B, what it's saying is that, asking your opinion, whether the actual area would be more, equal to, or less than the area that you have calculated here. You calculated the area of, even though you know that the actual shape is going like this, but you even included this area in your calculation because that's how the trapezium works, and pretty much the same here as well. That's what you do. So you have actually overestimated the area. So all you need to say is that the actual area would be less than what we have calculated here.